Okay, so I am just packing the rest of my bags. I'm getting ready for tomorrow. That's the day I ride. Is there something in my shoe? Not anymore. There was. Not anymore. Today has been a okay day. Nothing too crazy, but it felt like a long day because I want to get this over and done with. I want to do this. Oh, that's pretty heavy. Oh, there's a bit of weight in that. But it's mostly only because I just want to get it done. I just want to get the ride over and done with. That's really wry. Yeah, I don't know. Oh, she's a chunky bag. You got a bit in there. But really, she doesn't. She's carrying a 5.5 litre jerry can and a few other small things here and there. She's actually not carrying a lot. I'm going to put her in there. My laptop, tablet thing. But yeah, it's been an okay day. I woke up today and I bought my Tiger fender thingy, front fender thing, steering stoppers, and a nut for the middle here. It was $412, which was a little bit of a to the gut, but had to be done. I had to make the purchase. It would just made sense if I made the purchase, so I did it. Obviously, I sent it to my current house. I'm going to be house sitting at, so that's cool. I think I'm ready. I think I've got everything, I think I've packed everything that I want to bring. No, I haven't. The Xbox is right there. But look, I've still got a few things to pack, and me and my dad watch Masters of the Air, or whatever it is. Last episode we're watching until a while. So that's cute. I don't know what else to say. I'm just happy it's finally come down to like right now. As soon as I wake up tomorrow, off I go, I can't wait. So yeah, that's cool. Exciting. Oh, please tell me the Xbox fits. I can make her fit. Come on. Anyway, I'm gonna focus on this. I've got things to pack. But maybe I'll do another video before I hit the hay. I'm just not in the thinking mood right now. I've got to do this. See ya.